This might be an epic fail, but I'm gonna try to do my own maternity photos right now. I'm actually putting on makeup for the first time in months. If you're wondering why I'm just gonna do my own maternity photos, also these might look absolute shit, whatever. At least I'm not wasting money. I mean, I used to be a photographer, so it's not like that far-fetched, but also I don't feel good still. I've had hyperemesis, however you say it, I don't know how to say it, HG, I don't care. I've had that for the last 6 months, and I'm not kidding. People kept telling me like, oh, you'll feel better in week 14. That was a lie. And they were saying, you'll feel better in week 20. That was a lie. And then they kept saying 21, 22, 23, 24. Someone did tell me I will feel better in week 26. I'm officially 26 weeks and 5 days. And this week has been the best. First of all, I'm standing right now and talking and putting on freaking makeup. Still have to take all the medication to help with the nausea, otherwise I'll just feel like shit. I've got extreme fatigue, so I'm probably gonna need to lie down in about 5 minutes, but I haven't thrown up in a number of weeks, which is fantastic. I have started waking up feeling okay. Not 100%, but feeling okay. I go downhill around lunchtime. I usually just have to sleep it off. And then now I've started to feel okay again, like late at night. So we're improving. You know how everyone does really beautiful maternity photos? Guys, that's not my vibe, even if I was feeling good. My alternative is to do very casual white backdrop, which is, you know, my staple for my kind of content anyway. Pretty limited physically because now I also have quite a belly. So Ryan helped me set everything up yesterday. I chose 3 outfits. We'll see. They are absolute shit. I don't look good in anything right now, which is like, maternity clothes are crazy. I didn't buy any maternity clothes. Got my electrolytes with a bunch of ice because, oh, P.S., it's 106 degrees outside. We kind of did plan the pregnancy so that I wasn't giving birth in the middle of summer because Vegas summer heat is bullshit. And I'm someone that gets heat stroke like this. Thank God that worked out in our favor because I would not have survived 3rd trimester in triple-digit weather. Okay, let's go to the photo shoot. Hi, welcome to an hour later already. I had to take a break. I'm just trying to set up my camera. Just the stupidest little things is so exhausting. I had to go upstairs to get my SD card. Usually I would shoot on this, which is the 1.4 85mm. Love it, so good for portraits. But that lens is so zoomed in that like putting my tripod here and me standing there, like you'll just see my belly and nothing else. So I've gone back to my little lens. Okay, let's do this. I found these incredibly oversized jeans from Ryan's closet because last year at Halloween, our group costume were like ravers, punks, early 2000s, and these were his raver jeans. The socks are tight, okay? It's not just because I can't reach my foot easily. They are actually, they're too tight. Okay, I've pressed record on my camera. Ugh. Giving Gap commercial. I need to do that thing where I pretend to laugh. It's time for a gym ball, I think. Now, I need to make it look like I'm not taking a shit and actually doing couture. Oh my god, shit. Oh my god, guys, I just had like a 2-hour break and I actually edited all of the video and all of the photos already from the first outfit, so don't mean to brag. Whoa, this is the first time I'm wearing something form-fitting my entire pregnancy. Oh my god. Anyway, let's take some more photos. Light's pretty cool right now, so let's do some more. So I ate food and then had a nap and then edited all of what you just saw. However, I totally forgot to like wrap it up and mention that all of these were just screenshots from video from my official camera. I always do my self-portraits like that because one, I don't know where my clicker is, and two, it's just so much easier just to freely move and then like screenshot it. So guys, be honest. Did it pass the vibe? I kind of feel like some of them okay. Also, if I had to pick like 2 favorites or like 2 from each look, it would be these. Well, the next portrait DIY photo shoot that I do will probably be when I have a baby, which will be so fun. Although my belly is definitely going to get absolutely obnoxiously huge because I'm already big for this week. So maybe I'll have to do one more just to like look back at it and be like, what the heck? So wild to see the body changes. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and sorry this whole thing was filmed vertically if you're watching on YouTube.